California has one of the most rigorous code requirements for lighting products and controls. Title 20 regulates which lighting products can be sold in California based on things like efficacy, lifespan, and color rendering index. Title 24. Part 6 regulates the operation of installed lighting systems to meet energy codes, covering everything from timed schedules to motion sensing. LightCloud is a flexible, scalable lighting control system designed to meet the strictest code requirements across indoor and outdoor applications. Complying with local code requirements directly impacts approvals, inspections, and timelines. Specifying your lighting project with the code in mind helps to reduce risk, prevent delays, and simplify the installation process. Comply with automatic shutoff and manual controls by using our dimmers or keypads, and configuring schedules using the mobile app. Maximize energy savings with occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting. Only use light when you need it, and capitalize on the natural daylight coming into the space with a single sensor. Combine the indoor and outdoor lighting into one system. Easily configure sensors to operate as a photocell, and create schedules based on the sunrise and sunset. Meet advanced controls requirements such as receptacle control with smart outlets. Add the gateway for automated demand response.